If you're looking for a really solid storage cabinet that can hold a lot, I love this narrow pantry cabinet from Sauder Home. I love its handle. It opens cleanly. It holds so much, and you can fit it into a narrow place. Now in this video, I'm going to show my quick assembly of this. I did it all by myself, and I would say it would be much easier with another person just because it's heavy and a lot of the pieces need to be pushed together, which would be so much easier if you had someone else to help. But most of the pieces go together with a simple push and then a tightening with a screwdriver. At one point you'll need a hammer, and I did prefer using my power screwdriver for a lot of the pieces. The main part that I had trouble with was this bottom. The plastic pieces go in so easily, and then you have adjustable rubber feet you can add on, which is key once you put it in place to make sure it's level. But I used the wrong screw right here, adding it to the bottom, and that was tough. So make sure to use the right screws, and it's a little hard to get those screws in at the bottom. But once you have that in, the back just goes right on. Push it into place, and then you get to add the door, and after the door you add the shelves. It's all super easy. I love how adjustable the shelves are, and I particularly love how much this can hold. It is a really nice storage cabinet.